of divine intervention, I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see it like me. Open up the plans and then you're free. Open up your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, baby, singing me all our peaceful melody. It's our God speaking right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Down, 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 down. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what